Hi, beautiful people. Today we are going to prepare a Vietnamese recipe. The ingredients are chicken, lemongrass, lemon, sugar, soya sauce, pepper, onion, garlic, and ginger. First, cut the onion. Grate the garlic. Grate the ginger. Cut the lemongrass. Now mix the ginger, garlic, sugar, pepper and onion with the soya sauce and lemon. Now take the chicken and marinate it with the mixture. This is the result, now cover the pot. Take the previously marinated chicken and roast it. And this is the result. Enjoy it. Thanks for looking.